Caleb, the small business owner of Live by the Sea LLC. Welcome to my new office, and we are getting the X-Tool laser engraver going today for my daughter's birthday. I'm doing a very special project. So here I have the X-Tool program, and it will remind you a riser base is required. I'm going to be using the rotary attachment, and I already tested it out. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a text box right here, because I'm going to be customizing her name onto a decorative glass piece. So I'm gonna type in her name, and then I will show you how to change the font. So you're gonna pick a script. I like this one, Lily script, and we have to rotate this around. You can go right up here, rotate it around 90 degrees. And what you have to do is tell the X-Tool you are using the rotary, check. Then you can change your material. And I'm gonna search for glass. Now I'm using like a glass encasing. So I'm gonna choose frosted clear glass. And I did put a spray to frost it, hit apply. So as you can see, I used a marking spray. Now in the processing, I'm going to up this to 100%, and the speed looks great to me with one pass. Now to get it set up, you want to measure the distance from the laser to your item. So we're going to come over here, and what you're going to do is set your laser. I'm using a 20 watt at the highest point, and then you hit your distance measurer, and it's going to go down. Tap on the glass to get the distance measure, and as you can see, it inputs it automatically into the X-Tool software. The next thing you need to do is mark your item, and that's going to give you a preview area that's marked from a different item. So we're going to hit mark, and you're going to go and line up exactly where you want your image to go. So I'm gonna do my image right here. Hit the white button to mark your first, oh wait, we gotta hit start marking, sorry. A couple different steps. So hit start marking, place it, and then hit your white button. That marks point 1. Now you're gonna open it, go diagonal to your next point where you want your design to end. Hit the white button to mark that point. And as you can see, I have a rectangle on my screen. So I'm gonna hit in marking, and that's gonna line up exactly where it is. So I want my design to fit inside this rectangle. So I'm gonna change the width to 3.25, and it should fit in, and it does. So what I'm gonna do is line it up in the middle here and at the top part where I want it to start. Now, what's great about the X-Tool is it will actually let you frame out how it's going to go. So we're gonna frame it right now. In the bottom of the program, you'll see framing right down here. And when you hit framing, you go to your machine and hit the silver button, and watch what it does. It's going to just show you exactly where it's going to be lasering to make sure it's within your parameters. And that looks great to me. It's gonna line up on all of it. I'm gonna hit framing completed. Make sure, oh, see, I'm glad I double checked that. That's on score, and I want it on engrave, and I want it at 100 power. And I'm gonna lower the speed to 250. So then we're going to go ahead and hit process. I gotta line up right here, make sure it's at the start point, and then we hit start on the computer. And the next fail safe is after you hit start on the computer, you hit your gray start button. And it's Lizzie back, so I have the reveal, and I cannot wait to see how this came out for my daughter's birthday. It looks like it did her name, And what we're gonna do is just rub this off. Oh, wow.
Oh, that came out better than I thought.
That is gorgeous. And what you'll do is keep rubbing it, and I will use some.
Not over the machine,
Oh.
though.
We'll air that out. But yeah. So I'll take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and get this all spiff and clean. And this is actually for her birthday. She's 14 today, and look at this gorgeous item.
And turn it around so we see her name.
If you want one customized for you, let me know.
It's like almost rainbowy.
It's so pretty.
Okay, say bye.
Have a good one. This is a customized gift I did for my daughter.